Hey James, this is Sergio. Before I get into what I'll be explaining, the main goal of this video is just to show you how you can leverage your website to work for you. I'm doing this video just for informational purposes and so you can expand your knowledge before even purchasing a service and not know how it works. So after watching the remainder of what I'll show you, I would appreciate some feedback if you find the topics I do cover important to you or if you see anything interesting in it. So just to start off, I wanted to say how nice your website is. It's a very older type of website, but you see that your website is not mobile optimized, and that's something Google really looks for whenever they are crawling through websites, making sure you guys do offer landscaping services. Next thing I do see is that your site is not secure, so that's a big no-no for Google whenever they are trying to show people what your service is about. Now, next thing I want to tell you about is how much content you should really have, and that enables Google crawlers to show that you do offer the services that you are saying you offer. So I see you have lawn management and landscape services as subcategories of your domain, which is jclandscapingnewnan.com. Now, the amount of content depends on how many keywords you do want to implement into a website, and the home page can usually hold around 10 keywords, 10 main hitting keywords that will show Google and people searching these keywords that you offer the services that you say you offer. So around 1,500 to 2,000 words would be necessary to provide 10 keywords the maximum benefit that they can have. Now also, just a little tip I like to show people is instead of labeling the pictures at what they are, you can say like Newman, Landscaping, Georgia, and this will like help people or help Google show other people that you do offer services in Newman and for landscaping in Georgia. Now, that's just a little tip I like to show people. One of the competitors I'll be going over is, let's see here. I was in the wrong tab, my fault. Is FayettelleLandscaping.com. Now, they are taking over the main Fayetteville County, which is where you should be also targeting your business. So what they are doing currently is you are actually doing a lot better than they are, and they are beating you out in the Fayetteville County. So adding more content to your website would definitely help you guys beat them out in content marketing. So these keywords are what people search for whenever they are trying to find a service to provide their needs. So you are doing decently well with the Newnan County. So you have 6th position, you're getting 7 traffic to your website out of 100 people searching you. So if you were in like the 1st position for Landscaping Newnan in Georgia, you'd be getting at least a quarter of the volume that people are searching Landscaping Newnan in Georgia. So to scroll down, you can also see Landscaping Newnan getting 4 people searching for that, and you're in the 7th position, only getting around 2 people per month looking at your site. So if we go to FayettelleLandscaping.com, you can see they have 86 backlinks, 30 for domains, and 55 organic keywords. And they are taking over the Fayetteville Landscaping because they are the top hitting keyword. They have 150 people searching for Fayetteville Landscaping, and 49 of those people are going to their website because they are in the 1st position. Now, this is something that you can definitely do and beat them out with very easily. Now, next thing I want to show you is, remember I searched for landscaping in Newnan, Georgia. This is a top hidden keyword that you are currently using, but you are not in the Google Map pack for the 3 pristine places. Now, this is where the most traffic will probably call you guys or go to your website. Not really sure if you have a Google My Business account. I can't really find it, but it's something that can really help you guys out with more calls to your business. Now, if we go to Fayetteville Landscaping, you can see you're also not in the top map pack, but Grow Organic, you see Fayetteville Landscaping in the 1st position because this is their top hitting keyword. Now you'll also not see your website if I keep going down because you're not using this keyword inside your website. Now this is where you want to be, and to get there you need to be out the competition in every aspect. So this link juice, simply put, it works like this. If we have Yelp linking back to Lawn Starter, Yelp would be giving power to Lawn Starter because they are linked to Lawn Starter. So there's a little more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. So, for example, if we were to have Lawn Starter, since they are a lawn like a landscaping type of website, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you, because you guys don't sling pizzas for a living. You do lawn and landscaping. Now, you just need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority and linking to those keywords that I have showed you. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. And you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want to save yourself the time, and you can give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio. I know I am in the Kansas City area, but I do digital marketing, which is everywhere. But you can reach me at 816-654-5822, and I will definitely help you out with any questions that you may have, and any feedback. I will appreciate any feedback that you may have for this video. Alright, thank you, James. You have a good day.